All right, so let's work the next problem. Once again, so you have your coordinates that you have to go and label. So we have, we'll start with A, and it's over in our negative for X, positive for Y. So we know that we're going to have a negative 4 because after 3 comes 4. So it's going to be a negative 4 for X. And then it is going up on that vertical line for our Y, and it goes up 1. So it's going to be a negative 4 and a positive 1. And that is what that quadrant should have, a negative and a positive. So then we're going to go to B, and here we're going to look for X first again, and it's on 1. So X is going to be a positive 1. And then it's going down on that vertical line to a negative 2. Here's negative 1 and then negative 2. So the Y is going to be a negative 2. And then we'll carry on. And also just check if we're in this quadrant, it should be a positive and a negative, and we do have a positive and a negative. And then I'm going to go over to my C, and I am at a positive 3 for X, a positive 3 for X, and then I go up on that vertical line, and I'm at 1, 2, and that's a positive 2. And when you're in that quadrant, it should be a positive and a positive, and that's what we have. And then we're going to go to D, and D for the X coordinate, it's going to be 0. It's right here on this line, 0 for X, and we travel up the vertical line to our positive 3 for Y. All right, and that's what you should get for D.